Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Segment and Connect Analytics to your UI step by step clearly. To install Segment and Connect Analytics to your UI, start by visiting the Segment website. Create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Sources section from your dashboard. Click on the plus New Source button to create a new source. Select the type of source that matches your UI, such as a web app or mobile app. Follow the prompts to name your source and select any relevant settings. Upon completion, you will be provided with a key that you'll use to integrate Segment with your application. Next, head to your UI project directory in your code editor. If you are using JavaScript, install the Segment Analytics.js library. You can do this by running the command npm install analytics or by including the Segment script in your HTML file. After installation, initialize the Segment Analytics in your code. Use the analytics.load your _right_ key function, replacing your _right. Set up tracking for user interactions by calling analytics.track event name for specific actions users take. You may also want to track user identification by using to connect additional integrations. Visit the Destinations section in your Segment dashboard. Select the desired integrations to which you want to send your analytics data. Enable those integrations and configure any necessary settings in Segment. Test your implementation by triggering events in your UI and checking the Segment debugger for incoming data. Once everything is confirmed working, deploy your updated UI code to your production environment. Monitor your analytics dashboard regularly to evaluate user interactions and improve your UI based on the insights gained. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.